Everyone, hello my beautiful people. Is there one and only Lady J? If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My ogbonge people, today topic about all those our boys we be saying. Now two topic I want to talk about today. One guy we want go use the roommate take do money, and the other one we put a human part for Ghana must go ever since. Now two topic today. My darling people, I don't know fast money where people they look for this life. Me, I don't know. I don't know what they worry our people will be say. Although they look for fast money, they want make and fast. Yahoo boys no let una see road again. So say men not the enter class again, men not want even learn when again because of Yahoo money. My darling people, things they happen, things they really happen. My ogbonge people, today topic, as I talked before, this guy want go use the roommate for money, like they cash am, my darling people. Wetin make am wan do this thing now? Because they look for fast money. They don't go tell am say go bring your roommate. If not be say they cash am now, so this now they say that roommate really dey nice to am. You want go use the roommate to do money. Why? Which money you they look for? My darling people, I know if you put the picture because they don't the boy they pull the cloth, so YouTube don't go allow that kind of thing. My dad, this one is shock me. Waiting una they look for young boys of nowadays. Can't you work? Some people this school they work. You now want go do yahoo. They don't go introduce you to native daughter. Fine boy. They don't go introduce you to native daughter. When you go to do this kind of thing. Now you want go use your roommate to start. Thank God say they cash am. Now so that your roommate for take me. Now so they for take forget about that guy. Wait till they happen. Wait till they happen for this world. Wait till this world they turn it to. Boys no want work again. People no want work again because of fast money. They don't want to use their hand work again. Nothing. I just like this. The thing they shockalize me sometimes. My ogbonge people lentis they read the happen. So now I say, I want to contribute for this. The more I me advise our boys then, make they get patient. No hurry in life. No hurry find money. You go enter one chance like this boy. They enter one chance now. You go enter one chance. See your video now don't fall everywhere. Your picture don't fall everywhere now. People go to fear you now. How you say make they reason your matter? Because now what you never do before now make you then make the cash you so. You now first time when you want to do another and they cash you. How you reason yourself now because they must arrest you? That is I don't understand. We really need to talk to our boys then. We really need to talk to them because many of them they get it wrong. They get it wrong. They really get it wrong, my darling people. Things they read they happen. Maybe they advise our boys then. Make them know they made mistake again. Because now the gang whether they follow for school, now they go to introduce them to all those kind of bad things. It's not good. It's not good. That kind of boy will get bright future like this. One go use the roommate for money. It's not good. One go use the roommate. If not be say they cash her now. Wait till I think say for don't happen to that roommate now. They for don't forget about the guy. Some of ogbonge people things they read they happen. So my darling people, that one I before that one. So the other one, this man, he rent house for somebody house. So he neighbor where they always a yes me for the man room. So they can't try me they find out what did they cause this me. They can't find out say this man get one Ghana must go for a room there. This Ghana must go human part there inside, my darling people. This man, he puts the human part for there. Not great let anybody know. Nobody knows say something there. But the way the whole place they smell. Now human body now the thing don't take for there. So you can't smell. So as they smell now they can't try make they find out what they cause this smell. So the man can't carry the Ghana must go, can't carry come up for there. As they carry and they go, the neighbor already notice say something did that Ghana must go. And so they can't take call police. Police can't come. They can't catch the man. We want go remove the Ghana must go. As they can't catch her and then they can't open and they can't see human parts there inside. My darling people. Okay, wait till this man now they look for. Quick money. Not be the same quick money what would they talk so. Quick money, I want make am. I want make am. But not be to make am in the wrong way. Don't make it in the wrong way. Make am in the right way. I want make am. Now not the 4 VT so. I want fast man make money. Now not they enter one chance. You dey see the matter, my darling people. This man now don't go put himself now for problem now. He don't put himself now for one chance. How you reason yourself now? Me no know wetin una dey look for. Which fast money una dey look for? Which fast money? You don't go make person now, don't go put for inside Ghana must go. You go put am for inside Ghana must go. Since. Because he want make money. Maybe he don't tell when he don't they do this thing though. Now God can finally cash am. Una see huh? I want make fast money. I want make fast money. Now una tell the 4 VT so. How you reason yourself now, you this man? How you reason yourself? Una dey use una HQ, una no go here. Go and look for work. Go use your hand, take work. Fast money not they pay. Fast money, if you don't use that, take invest. Where you go down again, you start from the beginning. You start from scratch. That's what it be. Fast money, now small. Don't be say una go just. I don't understand people. What did this fast money go do now? Many of una. What did this fast money go do now? Eh? My darling people, when I see this one, I say, no, I can't share with my ogbonge people. More now listen to what they happen. More now see what they happen for the world. Say, things they read they happen. Things they happen. Eh? I don't just understand. How can a human being go just sit down, say now to go use a roommate. You want to go use and take go do money. A roommate. Eh? People now go they fear not to even stay with person for inside house. Now they fear. What una they look for? Fast money. Yahoo boys don't make una no one know una self again. Una as in you no one make una know what una supposed to do again for life. Because una want make fast money. Now bonga people things they happen for this world though. I make I say, man, they tell una they hear many things where they happen. In case if you get brother, we be say they fall for money, maybe you advise some more, advise some because many of them don't want hear, they don't want to use their HQ. So my bonga people now say make I can't tell una mona year. So if you have not subscribed, go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So now you go to hear many bonga news where they come out for you. Thank you so much for coming around the day. God bless you. Subscribe and always put thumbs up on my videos. Bye.